Hello and welcome to today's video on 6 drinks for normalizing high blood pressure. In addition to making changes to your diet and lifestyle, research shows that several drinks could help lower blood pressure levels and support heart health. When blood pressure goes unchecked, it can lead to complications such as heart disease and stroke. One of your first lines of defense against high blood pressure, hypertension, is your diet. Adopting a blood pressure-friendly diet may help keep your blood pressure within a healthy range without the side effects caused by medications. In addition to certain foods that may help lower your blood pressure, some types of drinks may also be helpful. In this video, we'll take a deeper dive into 6 different types of drinks that may help lower your blood pressure. But before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Beet juice. Beetroot is a root vegetable with a variety of health benefits. A review found that dietary nitrate in beetroot juice can help control arterial blood pressure in the short term. Long-term effects are still unknown. These dietary nitrates contain secondary metabolites that can also help lower blood pressure. Not only do these colorful, low-calorie vegetables contain a host of health-promoting vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, but they may also help lower your blood pressure. A randomized pilot study from 2016 found that the juice of both raw and cooked beets improved blood pressure. But raw beet juice had a greater impact on blood pressure. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, a compound known to have blood pressure-lowering effects. In a 2017 review, researchers found that these benefits were greater than the effects of nitrates alone. In other words, other heart-friendly compounds are likely at play as well. Tomato juice. Growing evidence suggests that drinking 1 glass of tomato juice per day may promote heart health. In a 2019 study, Japanese researchers evaluated the effects of drinking an average of 1 cup of tomato juice per day among participants with risk factors for heart disease. They concluded that tomato juice improved both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, as well as LDL cholesterol. Other recent studies have reported similar results among people with stage 1 hypertension and pregnant women. To avoid unnecessary sodium, which can have the opposite effect on your blood pressure, make sure to buy unsalted tomato juice. Pomegranate juice. Not only are pomegranates rich in nutrients such as folate and vitamin C, they also boast potent anti-inflammatory effects. It may come as no surprise then that pomegranate juice can contribute to a heart-healthy diet. A 2017 literature review of 8 randomized, controlled trials found that consuming pomegranate juice may help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The effects on systolic blood pressure were independent of how long participants consumed pomegranate juice for and how much. If you decide to add pomegranate juice to your diet, make sure it's 100% juice with no added sugar. Pomegranate juice has strong anti-inflammatory effects and has also been researched as a remedy for high blood pressure. A review looking at 8 randomized control tests found that consuming pomegranate juice could reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Try drinking at least 240 milliliters of pomegranate juice every day as part of a heart-healthy diet, but always select products that are free from added sugar. Berry juice. Like pomegranates, berries, especially blueberries, are known for their antioxidant properties. A 2020 review reported that drinking cranberry or cherry juice may improve your blood pressure. Another review published in 2016 found that consuming berries lowered both systolic blood pressure and LDL cholesterol. In both reviews, the researchers concluded that berries likely have cardiovascular benefits, but more research needs to be done to clarify their role in preventing and controlling heart disease. If you opt for store-bought berry juice, make sure it doesn't contain any added sugar. Skim milk. Low-fat dairy products such as skim milk and yogurt are a key component of dietary approaches to stop hypertension, a science-based set of recommendations for preventing and treating high blood pressure. According to one 2018 study in 2,694 adults, increased consumption of low-fat milk was also associated with lower levels of systolic and diastolic blood pressure. But the researchers noted that they couldn't separate which component of dairy may be responsible for the association, surmising that phosphorus and calcium may be playing a role. Typically, health professionals recommend you try to get 2 to 3 servings of low-fat milk products per day. You can drink a glass with your meals or add it to cereal or a smoothie. Steamed skim milk also makes a great addition to coffee. But if everyone were to consume 2 dairy servings a day, it would negatively contribute to climate change. place more pressure on natural resources, and may increase the methane, a type of greenhouse gas, output of dairy-producing farm animals. For this reason, if you're looking to eat a sustainable diet, you can aim for about 250 grams of dairy a day and no more than 500 grams. About 1/8 ounce cup of milk or yogurt or about an ounce of hard cheese equals 250 grams of dairy. Please subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Thank you.